How to book connecting flights on Google Flights. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can book connecting flights on Google Flights. So let's go ahead. The first step is to log in into your Google Flights account, just like I've done here. And then once you're on the Google Flights page, scroll down to the flight section where you can see a box, and then in this box you'll see different kind of trips such as round trip. You can see passengers, you can see the economy option. And so it selects your location, selects where your destination, and it selects the dates that you would like to travel. All right. Then once you're done, click on search. But before then, for connecting flights, ensure that the kind of trip you select is the multi-city. It's very important. Ensure that it's the one that you've selected. Okay, so that would give you more chance for you to book connecting flight. Now, on this page, you can see the two different kind of flights that are displayed on my screen. So for multi-city, you can add more flights if you desire, and all of the flights will be connected to each other. So that way, you have just booked a connecting flight. All right, so I'll just go ahead and add another flight here. So you can just say from Lagos to, let's say, Ibadan City, Nigeria, and then you select your arrival date for that too, and then click on search. So by clicking on search, connecting flights that are available for those days would be displayed. So if it does not work, ensure you reload again to see those flights, to see the flights available for those days. But if it doesn't display, that means that flights for those days are not available. So you can just cancel one and then go ahead and search. And then the ones available for the ones that you've actually added initially would be displayed, as you can see on my screen. And then you can now also select connecting airports as a filter so as to also help your journey. So ensure you select connecting airports. Okay, and then once it has been selected, click cancel. Then you can go ahead to sort the flights by their price, by their departure time, date, duration, or emissions, and you are good to go. And then just go ahead and select the flights that you want. Okay, you can see the best flights be displayed to you. So select the best one for you. Ensure you check through, and then you'll see booking options. Okay, so select the one that is better for you. Then click on continue, and then you'll be directed to the airlines page where you can continue with your booking process. So that is it, friends. Go ahead and book that flight now. Thank you for watching and have a good day.